Hi guys. Today we are going to be looking at the infograph that I came up with on Death by Sharks. Um, First thing we want to look at is the choice of colors and the title. So choice of colors, we have a deep blue, which was chosen because the actual subject of the infograph is sharks. It's ocean related, so blue. And then that contrast it creates against the cream background. So that was the purpose behind those choice of colors. We have all caps, pretty simple title. This infograph is mainly data based. So we're looking at, first thing we see is number, big number, gonna catch people's eye. They read, oh, 57, 57 what? So then that's what causes them to read the little blurb underneath. Then right underneath that, we have our pie graphs, which again, looking at the choice of colors, we have monochromatic blue, lots of just blues. This is, again, because kind of focusing on what the actual subject of the infograph is. So, and the monochromatic, it looks nice, it looks clean, and that's also something that people are gonna look and be like, oh, what is that? And shapes. People focus on shapes a lot. Underneath says what the two pie graphs are about. Then underneath that, we have a bar graph. Same thing. This is our isotope that has our legend underneath, along with the people here. So our bar graph comes with our legend that says, light blue is just fatal attacks in Australia, dark blue is globally. And then down here we have our people, and this is just to give a representation of the chances dying by a shark are less than the things stated. So right down here at the bottom, we also have the sources for the infograph. So, yep, I think that with the types of graphs, the information, the data, the isotope, and the connection of colors, we have the red over here for the people because that is something that people are going to associate with actually dying in death, blood. I believe that the strongest component here is the choice of colors and the sizing of the text and numbers is what makes this an efficient infograph. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions. And thank you for hearing out my presentation.